Once a generation, the finest warriors must do battle to decide the fate of their realm. I, Shang Tsung, welcome you to Mortal Kombat.
If Shao Kahn wins this tournament, Earth as you know it will cease to exist.
Let Mortal Kombat begin!
I will win this tournament.
Let's see what you've got.
What is it you want?
To seek my revenge.
Scorpion, get over here! Liu Kang. Sub-Zero. Sonya. Johnny Cage.
Here's Johnny! Goro!
Finish him.
Mortal Kombat Legends, Scorpion's Revenge. On digital and Blu-ray.
Part of your problem, you know, you haven't seen enough movies. All of life's riddles are answered in the movies.
Au revoir. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao. Ding dao day.
Hey, why don't you join us?
The following feature presentation has been movies and TV shows of a Warner Brothers. The Super VHS Disc and DVD and Blu-ray Disc, a Warner Brothers Studios in Hollywood, California. And Warner Brothers Films is rated G and PG and PG-13, and our movies and TV shows is rated TVG and TVPG and TVY and TVY7 and TVMA and TV14. Check out for an www.warnerbrothers.com/supervhsdisc, and for more information Warner Brothers Super VHS Disc, Warner Brothers, this and that's all folks.
They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine. This is me, Harleen Quinzel. When I was a kid, my dad traded me for a six-pack of beer. But however many times he tried to ditch me, I kept coming back. Eventually, he found me a new home. The Good Sisters of St. Bernadette's taught me a lot. But I was never an establishment kind of gal. All things considered, I did good. I even went to college, got my PhD. Had my heart broken once or twice. Finding love is not easy. So I threw myself into my work, became a psychiatrist. That's when I met him, Mr. J, my Joker. Oh, I fell hard. Like, out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. I lost all sense of who I was. I only had eyes for pudding. We all know the saying, behind every successful man, there's a badass broad. Well, that was me. I was the brains behind some of Mr. J's greatest stunts. Not that he let anyone know it. I guess all good things have to come to an end. So, we broke up. I handled it real mature, but Mr. J was super broke up about it. I got an amazing new place that was all mine. It gave me the space to really reflect on the mistakes of my past. I had to find a new identity. A new me. It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love. Here's the thing about new love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it. Soon enough, I was back on my feet, ready to move on, to make new friends. With me! It was time for Gotham to meet the new Harley Quinn. So I really put myself out there.